Hello, hello. Welcome to our first Washi Wednesday. I thought I would start first with a haul and then quickly use my passport to make a quick little daily spread. So let's get into it. If you are looking for some wallpapers to get you started this month, head over to my Zuri blog. But let's look at my haul from Every Minute a Story. Definitely one of my favorite sticker companies by far. So we got some samplers and some freebies. Every order gets this freebie. She's doing like around the world tour, sort of a series, and she's had Egypt, Japan, Paris just recently launched, and so it means that we have a Sydney in Australia coming up soon. And then our red panda, it's so cute. Lemon, I actually have her lemon washi, and it's one of my favorite. I don't know why. I think because of the yellow. I really like the yellow, and so I always try to pick up these little kits. They're great if you have a passport. Then I saw this dino one, and it was just so adorable. Like, look at that. That's so cute. I don't have any dino washi. She did come out with some a few years ago, but I had not discovered her yet, so I don't have any. But maybe one day I can pick up some in a D-stash, or she might revamp it. Wink, wink. Then we have two kits. This is, I have the panda washi. It's so beautiful. Has J foiling. I'll have to pull that one out one day. And I'm excited to use this. And one thing I really like about this particular vertical kit is you get boxes that are different sizes, and you don't get the Monday, Tuesday, you don't get the days of the week. So it's really flexible, and it works really, really well in like a passport notebook or a regular B6 planner or something like that. I think it gives it a lot of flexibility, but it still gives you that sort of structure that you get from like if you used a Hobonichi or something similar to that. And then I'll be honest, I am not a huge Star Wars fan, but my brother is a huge fan of Star Wars, and so I thought cute washi and something that I can kind of share with my family, win-win, right? So I have the Star Wars kit. See, this set similar to the other one. There is no days of the week. It's just a variety of boxes to do. These headers are so cute to use. I like to sometimes add a few of these together to make kind of like a little washi strip. And maybe we'll do that for our spread using this. And then, forgive me, I want to put this in the right order. If you look really closely, you can see that there's like this purple foiling inside of the washi. This is super cute, and I don't know if you all can see, there's still a little bit of foiling on this one as well. And then, like I said, not a super Star Wars fan, and so I hope I don't get too much hate for this, but what I really love about this washi is the gradient in the background of this lighter gray to black, and then the specks of silver foiling for the stars. I don't know, I do like space. I like space, I like stars, and so even though it has these other elements in it, and it's still very sci-fi, obviously, I think that it still can be a pretty flexible washi and used in a spread. So we are starting out our May with some awesome washi and a great little haul. And I thought that because we are kicking off our new Washi Wednesday series, that why not do May the 4th be with you. And although it's not the 4th today, I thought it might be nice to do something in honor of May 4th coming up, and then I'll probably use some more stickers on May 4th, but I thought kind of like a win-win, and we can kind of see how this goes. So that is my haul from Every Minute a Story, and let me kind of straighten up, come back, and then I'll have us set up for our planner. All right, we have all of our items with us. We have our tweezers, we have our scissors, we have our washi. And let's get started. So let's open up to a blank page, and let's see. I think I really kind of like the stars, so I might match. I think I want to go with a purple. We'll see if we use the smaller one. Let's just, and you all are going to see a fresh pack open up. Oh my gosh. Let's open that up. Oh, that foiling is chef's kiss, honestly. Okay, so, and we have our markers. Let's see, purple and gray. Let's also grab a brush pen and maybe one of our dot hands. So we will put these up here, and yeah, let's do it.